The 2022 MESO Lineworkers Rodeo is an annual friendly competition between electric utilities that are municipally owned. More than 10 groups took part in the event. Most participants are from Oklahoma, but one group came from Bentonville, Arkansas. Edmond Electric hosted this year's competition at Arcadia Lake. To prepare for the unique rodeo, they had to install 64 utility poles.
I'm just glad that we have this event here this year. I think it's great for the community. It's great for the municipalities to work together to solve common problems. And we're just happy to have all these individuals here today participating and competing.
More than 60 line workers competed against each other during the rodeo, including 10 linemen from Edmond Electric. Some of the challenges included an obstacle course, a speed climb, the Hurtman Rescue, and team events.
The competition that the line workers participate in basically mimics some of the day-to-day tasks that they would do. And they compete to try to be as quick, efficient, but also, most importantly, safe in doing these tasks. And so it brings them together so that they can work together, try to learn new tasks, new ways to do these jobs. And also it's just a friendly competition between line workers, because a lot of times when there's inclement weather in Oklahoma, we do mutual aid events, so we will actually go to other communities, or other communities will come here to help out to get power restored in the case of an emergency. So it's great for camaraderie, it's great for the teamwork between all the municipalities participating.
Each year, the Line Workers Rodeo is organized by the Municipal Electric Systems of Oklahoma, or MESO. MESO serves municipal professionals through safety, job training, and professional development programs. Edmond Electric has served the Edmond community since 1908 and provides electric service to more than 94,000 customers. To learn more about Edmond Electric, please visit edmondelectric.com.